Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is enterprise software. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is enterprise software? Enterprise software is a computer application that aims to assist big companies with several needs such as data analysis, sales and marketing management, customer service, and many others. Typically, these tools are designed to serve a large number of users with high scalability and integration capabilities. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is enterprise software is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys. If you're new, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.